Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see about this punch needle set. I have recently purchased it from Amazon. Now let's see what all things you will get in this punch needle set. So if you see here, you will get one thread cutter, two needle threader, and this is the punch needle. Here two different sizes of needles to adjust here in this punch needle. Here already we have one needle. So now let's see, we will open it. So this is the needle threader. So we have two needle threaders. Here if you see, there are instructions how we have to needle the thread and about the stitches. So now we'll see about this needle. This is an adjustable needle. You can see the numbers here from 1 to 12. This is to adjust the size of the needle you want. How to adjust the size of the needle is just you can twist it in your left hand side like this and you can move the needle. So you can see how the needle moves. So what length you want, you can keep the needle and just rotate it in the clockwise direction so that it will get fixed. This needle is for yarn. So this is for embroidery thread needle. We can use thin thread over here. So I think you can see the difference between the three needles. So now let's see how to change the needle. So for that, first you will loose the needle like this. Remove the back cap. Just pull the needle down like this. So take the next needle which you want to use. You are going to insert it inside like this. And you can adjust the size by tightening them like this. Next you can fix the bottom part. So this is how we will adjust the needle. So next we'll see how to thread the yarn in this needle. For that you will take the needle threader. Here if you see a big hole at the back of the needle, so turn your needle like this. Insert this needle threader through this big hole, the backwards like this. So you can see that needle threader which comes outside. Take the yarn which you want to use and insert it in between this needle threader. And you can pull the needle threader like this. Next remove the needle threader. You can adjust the yarn by pulling the yarn at the back like this based on the length you want. So next when you turn your needle in front, you will see a hole in front here. Insert the needle threader inside this hole. Again insert the yarn through this needle threader and pull. So now this punch needle is ready to punch. So this is how we have to thread the needle.